Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on your Facebook. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and now select your profile icon on top of your right here. Just select here and now select the gear icon on top, that is the setting option. Select here and now you can see the account center. Just click that option and go to personal details and you can see the contact info. Select that option. Now here you have to do, first of all you need to add your new phone number. Just click this option, add new contacts, and select add for mobile number, and now give your updated mobile number. I'm gonna give you mine here and select this one because you have to choose your profile, and select next. And here they will ask you for an verification code. The Facebook will send you a code on that number, and after doing that you can just select your previous phone number, and you can just select this option, delete number, and your phone number, and then click delete, and then your phone number will be deleted from your account. You have to give your password here. Just give it your password and select done, and your phone number will be deleted. And in this way you can easily change your Facebook phone number. So this is a video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.